Hello friends, welcome to Somyan Academy. I am Arvind, welcomes you to the academy. Today we will learn about the natural numbers, counting numbers and the whole numbers and also integers. These are the useful topics in class 5, 6, 7 and 9 also and in competition. So from our childhood we are listening about the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first question arises that what is a number? So number is nothing but is the mathematical object. We'll say that a number is a mathematical object used to count and measure. This is very simple. So examples are 2, 5, 10, 15 and many more, or all the examples of numbers. Next, what are the numerals? So friends, we have to denote a number by a symbol. So basically the numerals are nothing but these are the symbols which are used to denote the numbers. The symbols are the characters or the mark used to represent individual numbers. These are the numerals. For example, 6 is a numeral that represents the number 6. Similarly, taking another example, 15, 1, 5, 15 is a numeral that represents the number 15. So, just take a question another. What is the numeral of 650? Simply 650 is the symbol to denote 650. This is the numeral of 650. Now we will discuss about the most common numeral system that is used in the world. So the most common numeral system that is used in world is Hindu-Arabic numeral system or Indo-Arabic numeral system. In this system we use 10 digits. These are called the Hindu-Arabic basic numerals, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits that are used in Hindu-Arabic numeral system or Indo-Arabic numeral system. So we can see here that a number can be a single digit number like 2, 3, 4, or number can be formed by a combination of the digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a number can be a single digit number or number can be a multi-digit number. So further we will see that a number is represented by a single numerical digit or by a combination of 10 numerical digits. Example, 5 is a single digit number and 78 is a number that is formed by combination of two digits, that is 7 and 8. So guys, so friends, we have learned about the number, numerals and the most common numeral system in which 10 basic digits are used to form a number. So this is the number. Next we see what are the counting numbers or natural numbers. Counting numbers are those used for counting. So counting numbers are also called natural numbers. Remember, counting numbers are also called natural numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on are the counting numbers. So these counting numbers I already told you normally called natural numbers. Now we take another number category, that is the whole numbers. W. What are the whole numbers? In you see, in counting of natural numbers, there is no zero included. So, what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are nothing but the counting numbers or natural numbers including zero. So, the natural numbers including zero are called whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the whole numbers. So, there is to be noted that 0 is the smallest whole number. Remember, always remember here, 0 is the smallest whole number, not second. 1 is the smallest counting number. Okay, these are the most important questions. Now we will discuss about the integers, that is represented by Z. So what are the integers? We have seen the natural numbers or the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, and the whole numbers including 0. So both of the list, counting numbers and the whole numbers, have positive numbers on number lines. Now we will discuss about the integers. Integers are nothing but the positive and negative counting numbers are known as integers including 0. Noted? Positive and negative counting numbers, positive and negative natural numbers, as well as 0 are known as integers. That is, with 0 all the positive and negative numbers are integers. Okay, so if we see on the number line, 0 is put it between, and in the left side -1, -2, -3, these are the numbers, but these are the negative integers, negative numbers. So these are also the integers. 0 is integer, 1, 2, 3, these are the positive numbers, these are the integers, or we say these are the positive integers. So the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are known as positive integers. Okay, and negative integers, what are the negative integers? The negative of counting numbers, the negative of counting numbers, that is -1, -2, -3 are known as negative integers. So guys, so friends, we have learned about the numbers, numerals, whole numbers, counting numbers and the integers. I hope you understand this very well and you have understood very well. Note again, so there is another important note here. 0 is neither a negative integer or nor a positive integer, it is simply a integer. So guys, thanks for watching to Somyan Academy, and kindly like and share our video and subscribe the channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.